how to install the Nest based on my thermostat. This is my thermostat. Everyone's different. All you need is these two. I forgot what it's for. I already installed two, and this, so I kind of have an experience, so we can skip the dirty works. This is the tool that supplies my Nest. You can check my unboxing, then you will find out what tool is inside the box. So pretty much you need much extra tool, but because of my Honeywell thermostat, I need this square screwdriver and this thing. That's all. Because my wire is a little thick, I need this to straighten it. First step, let me see. I remember is turn off the home's furnace. That's what it says on the instruction. Alright, let's do that. Here it is, basement. Come down the basement. Lucky for me, it is quite clear. The label furnace 17B, which is on the left side. 17 and B. How? There's no sign of if it works or not, but because I already installed two of them, as I mentioned before, it works. Okay, now since the furnace is off, let's get started. This is the one I have. Just pop open. Cover. And then for me, there are only two lines, two wires, which is easy for me. Which is there is a black wire. It's not red wire, but there's an R on it, and there's a white wire. There's a W on it. So I guess we're gonna connect to where it's supposed to be on the Nest. Okay, on the Nest accessory, this is the white one, and this is the RH. I asked online. There's an instruction on Nest.com, show you what kind of wire you have, and they will suggest where you plug it in. For me, it's easy, just heat. So red is the power line, and W is the heat controller. Simple. Let's use the Nest tool to unwire. To loosen the two wires. Okay. That's it again. Now my square screwdriver to loosen the thermostat. There you go. Right now you can decide if you only want to install the Nest over it, like that. But as for me, there is a hole below it. So therefore, I can always install a plate that will help you cover the hole with the thermostat on top of it. So I'll try to use the plate because this is my living room. I want it to look nice. Straighten it. Straighten the wire and just put it in the hole. Inside the hole. And white is white, black is red, like I described. Just plug it in. Once you press it in, straight in to the end, this button will go down. So same as the white one. So the button is up, you can press it. As you can see, but once you click, oh, don't break it! Holy cow, too much force. Don't have to put too much force. Just need to put straight in, the button will go down. So that is good enough. right now. Oh crap! Forgot the plate. Let's take it back out. Put the plate in first, and then put this in after. Red goes to red, and the white goes to white. Now, all I need is the right hole and just push it. I just screw it back in the same hole from the previous thermostat. Right now, I just need to make sure they're on the line to each other and press this down so that it won't stick out. There you go. Hopefully I didn't damage it. Okay, good. This is pressed down. It won't stick out to the thermostat. And one more screw on the bottom. And now I have to be careful because there is a leveler. Make sure this is, the bubble is in the middle. I don't know how to use this. Ooh. Get this. There you go. Yes. Kind of tilted. Oh well, the bubbles in the middle, good enough for me. My wall is very soft, so if I go too far in, it's gonna lose nut device. Oh well. Good enough. You don't hold the thing anyways. So now, just this is in, wire's in, wire is pressed down, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Right now, just plug the device in. Okay, this is the USB input. Maybe it's for charging. I'm not sure. I'll do some research on that. And this will align with the bottom of here. Excellent. We move that, and in a sense, this is done. Right now, I need to turn on the furnace. Once I turn that on, the device will have power and it will turn that on. So let's do it. Yes, as you can see, the power is back on and it is working. I installed two, one is for my bedroom and one is for basement, which they work fine. The heater, the temperature, they help. So there you go. Right now, all you have to do is just set up, create an account on Nest, and then the rest is easy. After zoom in, you can see this is the first thing you see. Just turn left and right is scrolling. Press the whole thing on is select. So now I choose English US. English US, confirm your choice. Internet connection. Connect. I'll choose my device. 1 second. It is connected. Let's continue checking update, and it will update the device. automatically. No choice. Can't cancel. Can't do anything. You just go automatically do that. Good and bad. That's fine. I can wait. Just make the device better. Why not? Okay, that takes 3 minutes and we're back online. Done. We got 2 that's done. It's language and internet connection. Now it's my location. I have to enter a location that will tell me I'm in Canada. Postal code it's gonna tell me where and what's the temperature outside. So I'm gonna set this real quick. Okay, I put multi-family. I don't know exactly what it's do, but it's more than just 2 people. Basement, bedroom, downstairs, dining room, family room. I'll go living room. I already have basement and bedroom. Heating and cooling. It's gonna do a test, and it's actually tell me which wire I have inside. So these are the 2 wires that I put in. It's heat and power. Let's test. Mine is gas, 88 Hertz. You can choose what it is. Temperature. What lowest temperature you like when you are away. So 10. Let's default that. System test. Okay, it's gonna test heating. And it will turn on my furnace. Take a while and it will heat up your furnace, which let's say it's done. Oh wow. Okay, so how this whole thing works is quite simple. Right now, this is what you want to set on. When you turn this, you're setting on it. Why the flashy screen is when it actually turn red, means it's gonna turn up the heat because you bypass the default. This is the room temperature on the back. It's 21 degrees Celsius, and when I turn below that, the heat will shut off, and then until it goes down to that, and then I'll heat it back up. With the leaf, it says it's energy saving. So it's up to you what you want to control. So at this moment, it's a living room, so I want to go to 19, and then once you press it, enter, and this is the menu screen, which will show you what day it is, what's the temperature outside, 7 degrees, cloudy, humid is 36%, and the inside temperature is 21 degrees. So you can always go software update, blah blah blah. So there's one thing you want to know is when you try to link onto the app, is you need to go to setting and go to one place called Nest account. So once you created a Nest account, it will ask you to link. It will ask you a 7-digit code to connect your device, to identify which device belongs to you. So you have to do it locally here, and once you press that, it will generate a entry key. Once you click that, put that key in the system, then it will connect to your account. Of course, I'm going to press that, but yeah, that's it. Pretty much that's how it goes. Thanks for watching. So this one is my bedroom thermostat, which there's a hole here. I didn't bother to put the guard on it, which is okay. It looks fine without the guard. Also, this one is my basement Nest, which I have the guard or the plate on it. Just finished uploading or updating the software. Just install this. It looks okay because the reason I have the plate there is because there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 holes behind this plate. So it looks good with it, which is fine. Not bad, I love it. Thanks.